Good morning to all. I'm Dr. W. Gita Mamela, Associate Professor, Tipley Department of Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. I'm here to present about green energy in cost and economic assessment of a healthcare center in India. Due attention is needed for energy demand in healthcare centers as energy requirement for average energy use intensity is huge. The technology advancement result in sophisticated and inevitable equipment increases the energy consumption of the healthcare centers. The maintenance of these equipments and increase in patient to doctor ratio are also one of the main reasons which affects the energy consumption. India is found to be the fourth largest greenhouse gas emitter. In result, India is much affected by the changing climatic conditions. Therefore, the situation is arised in India to reduce the global warming, which can be possible with the penetration of renewable energy-based electricity generation. Our objective is to produce the energy with green energy and to avoid the global warming. Also, to generate the electricity with hybrid PV wind system for a healthcare center in India. Also, our objective is to pay back the excess energy produced to the electricity board through grid system. This is the organization of our work. We have 3 steps for proceeding. In step 1, we have identified the healthcare center. In step 2, we have assessed the load and we have done the cost estimation of the grid with simple rate and the identification of available green energy sources in the particular place is being done. And then as step 3, cost analysis and economic assessment is done. And then environmental greenhouse emission control is performed and feasible solution is given. This is the map detail of the healthcare center which we have selected. This is the average wind speed of the particular place which we have selected. And we have shown the solar energy profile also. A healthcare center which uses 160 kilowatt hour per day of electrical load and differable load of 10 kilowatt hour per day is taken for analysis. 200 kilowatt of PV and 100 kilowatt of wind generation capacity are proposed for the generating power. The monthly average wind speed profile and solar profile is downloaded from NASA prediction of worldwide energy resource database. 300 kilowatt converter is used with the mean output of 38.8 watts capacity is used in the proposed system for power conversion. An idealized battery storage system of 48 volts is introduced with a capacity of 139 kilowatt hour and round trip efficiency of 64%. Homer Pro is used to obtain and analyze the optimization results. The energy consumption details and the energy production details are being given. The AC primary load, which consumes 60,386 kilowatt hour per year, is taken, and differable load of 3,645 kilowatt hour per year is being taken, and grid sale is also taken, and on the whole energy consumption is 6,85,365 kilowatt per year. And the solar, the energy is produced with the help of solar, wind, and also with the help of grid purchases. On the whole, the total energy production is 7,18,022 kilowatt per year. We are using the Homer Pro for analysis and to obtain the optimization result. It is giving the best solution For cost summary, economic comparison in using various resources. This microgrid requires 1938 kilowatt hour per day, and it has a peak of 305 kilowatt hour. In the proposed system, the energy demand, the energy selling, and cost analysis is also being done. The energy demand of the healthcare system is estimated, and the remaining energy produced is sold back to the grid. The grid power is connected to the system with simple rate of grid power rate and sellback rates. From the Homer analysis, the net present value, total annualized cost, simple payback, return on investment, the internal rate of return, and the annual savings are estimated for the proposed system. Along with the cost analysis, the emission of gas like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, unborn hydrocarbons, particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide are also calculated for the proposed system. The analyzed result gives null result for the emission of greenhouse gases, and the proposed system becomes environmental friendly system in reducing the global warming. And therefore, the conclusion is made. That is, from the Homer analysis, it is estimated that our investment has payback of 1.33 years and IRR of 75.3%. The annual energy purchased from the grid is 6,639 kilowatt hour, and the energy sold back to the grid is 6,43,549 kilowatt hour. And the greenhouse gases emission is null result. And also it is reducing the global warming. Also, cost analysis of the proposed system proves that the annual savings in regards with the energy consumption. Thank you all.